Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change like a neon outline color on CapCut PC, like on the effect. It is a little bit tedious, but it's actually super simple. So select your text. I'm just going to change the text a little bit, and I might add in like an already glowing text effect here, like this one maybe, but I'm not sure. Actually, I'm just going to leave it plain for now. So we're going to select effect, and then you're going to select party, and like as you can see, there is like a neon outline effect, but if you add it to the text, there's only one color, which is red, and I want to change the color, of course. So I'm going to go to filters, and I'm going to add in a black and white effect. Just choose one that you think is the best for it. There you go. Go to media and add in the color of your choice. I'm choosing purple, and I'm going to add it on top of the effect and the filter. Go to mode and select overlay, and as you can see, I have changed the color of the neon outline. That's it, really super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!